Hello and welcome, dear students. Thank you very much for joining me in today's session. My name is Hameed Asghar, and on behalf of Institute of Freelancing, I welcome you all. Today, we came up with a very interesting topic, and that is how to recolor your menus in Photoshop and how to overall change the appearance. So let's get started our today's session. How to change the appearance or the color scheme of this appearance. Let's move on into the top menus from this edit to the preference and preferences to the interface. Let's click here and here are the multiple options. Like for example, this gray scheme would can be changed into this one also, as you can see right now, the overall theme color theme that has been changed, and you can go with any of the option from this to this. And then the standard color mode can be into black, screen mode, sorry, into black or default, or the borders and all those sort of things. With the menus you can change from here to dark green, for example. Click here and all those sort of things that will be changed. So that is the first appearance, how to change the appearance. And how can you do this? Let me cancel, because right now we are interested in changing the color scheme of the menus. For example, you can see right now this is almost a whitish color scheme, and along with this you can see this. But what if you are interested to have a color scheme like this? It would looks like a Macintosh, and maybe some kind of more colorful variation scheme. Like here you can see the bluish and then red, and then of course there's a greenish one, and there are plenty of colors up till end. So how can you do it? What exactly is the process which you have to follow? So the answer for this is pretty simple. So how can you do it? Let's move on into this menus from first file to the second last windows, and from here to the workspace, and from workspace to keyboard shortcut and menus. Here you can see here are the menus, as you can see right now. The file menu that has already been changed. As you can see, the color line has been changed. Now we are going to change the edit menu, right? So let's open up the edit menu, and here is the color palettes which is available. So you can go with any of the color choice with your own choice. Maybe the first one could go red, undo, and step forward can go with orange, and step backward also can go with orange, or maybe the fade and the cut would go with yellow, and the copy can go with green. Let's scroll down, and paste can go with blue, and things like this. You can do anything. For example, the fill can go with the grayish one, and the stroke can go with the violet one. Let me click OK and have a look at this now to the edit menu. As the color has been changed, same the file menu color that has been changed, automatically that will be changed. So how would that be effective? Simply you can just control A and control C is for copy, edit. Now you can see all those are with multicolors. So that is again your choice. What exactly do you want? Which color tab or which group has to be into one singular color? So for example, let me go with this first undo, step forward and step back with one color, and then cut, copy, and paste on all those four others rather, that would be in one shape. Let's roll back again to the workspace to the shortcut menus, and the first three that has to go with the red one. So I'm going to change all these three into red. Let me select OK, go to edit, and here you can see they all are on the red color palette. So the same goes to the others. For example, cut, copy, and paste. You can place all of them into one single color. Let's move on to this, starting from cut. Is it in yellow? Let me go with the yellow options for all of them. Yellow, and that instead of blue, let me go with all of them into yellow and let me press OK. And that's how you can do with all those into singular color. So I hope with this kind of tricks, tips and tricks, you can very easily recreate your menus with your own color choice. So that's it for today's trick. And I hope if you have subscribed to the channel, keep on watching the more and more interesting topics. The next is yet another, very exciting topic that is coming up. And if you have not subscribed, let's subscribe and press the bell icon to keep on notification on your YouTube channel. So thanks a lot, dear students, for joining me in today's session. Hope to speak to you soon, very soon. Up till then, take care of yourself and bye bye.